So let me talk about two different ways in which, from my own experience, I use AI and the effects that it has. So I might use AI for tasks that I'm already an expert at, or I might use it for tasks that I don't know how to do, or something in between. And I claim that these two result in very different effects and experiences. So when I use it for a task that I'm an expert at, it leads to what I call a growth cycle. So for instance, when I use it for coding, I am of course an expert in coding. I'm using AI as a tool. I can use it to build very quickly, and I know that if something breaks, I can go in and fix it. And when the agent is working, I'm reviewing the code, I'm building an understanding of it, I'm planning the next steps. Right, and so what it allows me to do is leave a lot of the mundane stuff to AI and actually focus my time on a lot of the complex judgment that AI can't do yet, or which I'm not comfortable leaving to AI. So this puts me in a flow state, I feel like I'm in control, and it feels empowering. And I have realized that I actually get better as a software engineer much more rapidly in this way than if I were writing all of the code myself. And this is a phenomenal way to further learn and get better at something you're already an expert at. But I've also, in a few cases, tried using it for things that I don't know how to do myself. And instead of a growth cycle, that leads to a dependence spiral. I have no choice but to treat the AI as a superintelligence. Because if something breaks, I can't evaluate its quality myself. The best that I can do is ask AI to fix it and hope for the best. And while it's working, there's not much that I can do productively because I don't really understand the task. And instead of empowering, this actually feels confusing and unsettling. And I've only done this a few times, but the experience was just so disturbing that it actually really sticks in my mind.